It's 5 mathematics.
Okay, this is for class 5 mathematics. So I'm a guest. I'm doing a guest appearance. Aarti was supposed to be there, but anyway. So this is for class 5 mathematics, and those of you who know Priyasha ma'am, I can just tell you that very passionate about teaching, very passionate to ensure that students are able to learn, right? And I think that is the objective of these classes, because you're not just focusing on your school curriculum, but I think you also need to study beyond the school curriculum. The kind of questions that come in Olympiad exams, they are more practical oriented, and they try to assess your conceptual understanding, right? And I'll actually introduce, I'll ask Resha ma'am to introduce herself. So ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Very good evening, all of you. Welcome to the session. Thank you so much for sparing out some time for this demo today. Well, sir has already mentioned many points about mathematics and about Priyasha ma'am as well, right? So Priyasha ma'am will tell something related to mathematics now, a small quote, but you people will help me in that, okay? So the quotation related to mathematics is, the best way to learn mathematics is to dash mathematics. Now fill in the blanks, students. You can do it. The best way to learn mathematics is to dash mathematics. So this dash has two letters in it. One consonant and the other is a vowel. You people are writing very close, very correct, Angana. Okay, first correct answer I got. Two-letter word. Okay, Saksham, Priyambada, Arnav. I guess Priyambada, I know you. Hi, Aiden. Okay, so I guess these are my old students joined in now. Okay, perfect. Govindu, Sanskriti, absolutely correct, guys. You all are right. That's do. So the best way, the only way I should say to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So of course we'll practice a lot of questions. That's nothing new. But what will happen in our sessions? See, in this 1 hour 15 minutes, I'll try to give you the variety of questions related to a topic so that nothing comes up as a surprise for you in the exam. That's my major motive. Okay. So providing you with diverse questions is what I just want to do. Okay, and how the sessions will be conducted, how the classes will be taking place, I'll tell about that in detail during the demo. But just letting you know that one thing which is a mandatory thing which Priyasha ma'am does is doubt discussion every day before starting the session. First 5 to 10 minutes for the doubt clearing, so that everyone is on the same page, even if you're in the group classes. And the best part about taking these group classes is that you come to know about the various process in which you can do a single question. So your friend is doing this question in one way, you are doing it in the other way, ma'am is telling it in a new way. So you come across three different ways, and then you can judge accordingly that I find this way easy, ma'am, I find that way easy. So like this, we learn together, and you will come to know about how we take the classes in the demo. So excited for the demo? For that, show me a thumbs up. All right. So then just wait a little. Okay. If you have any questions related to these classes or something, you can surely write it down in the chat. Okay. We'll read it. We'll answer it for you. And meanwhile, what will happen? A important slide will come up. So you'll have to read that carefully. Okay. Fine. Then over to Rajan. Then Rajan sir will come up with the important slide, and then we will be asking you questions from that. Okay. All right.
Yes,
Thank you
sure,
so
ma'am.
much, guys.
Okay, so everyone, I'm just sharing a screen. Is it visible?
Yeah, I think it is
Show the
just
thumb
coming.
if.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay. So firstly, welcome to the demo of class 5 mathematics batch 1. Okay. Now, firstly about us, Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes. Like this is a 3-year, third year in live classes. We have School Plus program. In School Plus program, we are offering 8 courses: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication. In communication, spoken and written both, Vedic maths and coding. Okay. So we have online CBSC classes for grades 6 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, that is Singapore and Asian School Math Olympiad, CMO, Hong Kong International Mathematics Olympiad, TIMO, Math Count, US Olympiads, Math Kangaroo and PRMO. And we also have JEE main preparation classes. Now, these are our rank holder for 2021. Okay. So various students have taken different Olympiad exams from Olympiad, different competitions. So we have 40 plus international rank 1, 70 plus top 5 international rank, and 120 plus top 10 international ranks. Okay. And we have group session with 20 students and we conduct on Zoom. So about this course, there will be 2 sessions, Thursday and Saturday. Timing will be 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. and there will be 5-minute break in between. Okay. The session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, discussion on previous year paper. Student will get reading material and practice question, which will be available on dashboard of Olympiad Success. Student will also get Olympiad Success platform practice topic wise mock test for maths and logical reasoning. Okay, students. Now about the syllabus, the fee for this course is 9,560 rupees and there will be 45 sessions for this course. I will share the link in the chat box. Okay. The fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, access to Olympiad Success platform for maths and logical reasoning mock test. Okay. And students, if you enroll today, you will get free Crest Mathematics Olympiad, that is CMO exam. Now, to join this course, you just need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. Okay. Now let me tell you about the Olympiad exams. So Olympiad exams are quite tougher than school curriculum. So we actually advise students to do some extra effort in this. Okay. To succeed in Olympiad competitions. Why? Because in Olympiad competition, you will get some topics from higher grades also. Okay, students. So parent support will also be needed in this to check answer, retreat concepts, etc. Okay. When will the batch start? Batch start on 17th March. Okay. So currently we have partnered with 3,800 schools and we are catering in 35 plus countries. Okay, students. Yeah. So this is about the course. I have shared the links in the chat box. You can see. Now you can ask your questions if you have any.
So let me ask, has everybody received the links and how many of you have copied those links?
No, I have posted again in the chat box.
Okay, so we have just posted the links. Okay, I think we have more number of people saying no. See, the links have been copied by Rajan sir.
Did you
Okay,
get it now?
you can just copy it. Yes, yes, yes. Now people have received it. Okay, good. So are there any questions from students? And are parents there in the session? So in case there are any questions, you can actually ask questions here. Say if you don't have any questions, I'll ask a few questions. Okay, so since there are no questions, let me ask a couple of them. So can somebody tell me like on what days of the week the classes are going to take place? Will the classes be offline? No, the classes will continue to be online because we have students joining from pretty much across India, as well as we have students from outside of India as well. So these classes will be conducted online only through Zoom. Thursdays and Saturdays is the correct answer. So thanks a lot. I think there are a lot of students who have answered it correctly. And okay, I got it. And can somebody tell me like what time the classes are going to take place? I think somebody has already mentioned. So Crisal Pinto is asking whether the syllabus is going to be covered in 45 sessions. Yes, the classes are. Is it AM or PM? Yeah, so Naitik has actually answered it correctly. Yes, PM. I think so. So now I think people have mentioned that it is in PM. So perfectly fine. And how many sessions are going to be there? 45. Okay, great. Okay, I think it is so fast. I cannot even read out the name. So thanks a lot, guys. And when is the okay? And when is the first class going to start? That's March 17th. Okay, Marcus, you are like genius, very fast. 17th of March. Okay, perfect. So what we'll do is, I think Priyesha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Let me just take. Okay, fine. So
Yes,
Priyesha, why don't you get started? I think we have pretty smart students, so very, very responsive as well. I'm sure we will have
Yeah, of
fun.
course. Yes, so sure. Why not? Ready for the demo, guys? Everyone? Yes, of course.
So
You people are
Dharyash, I
like,
think so in demo we don't unmute people, but yes, I think in the regular classes students will be unmuted and they'll have
yeah,
they can actually directly talk to the teacher. So that will definitely be possible.
yes, sure. That's correct. Okay, so I'll be coming up with my slide. And meanwhile, I'll be doing a very important thing. Checking up the annotations. Okay, fine. So Dharyansh, don't worry. If you need to tell me something or tell sir something, you can surely type it in the chat. Okay, that will be the best way to communicate in the demos. Fine. All right. So the topic for today is going to be time. Time is really valuable, right? Yes, of course. This is something related to English, which I told right now. But what will we learn in mathematics related to time? Related to time, we will measure time, we will add time, we'll subtract time, and accordingly, we'll solve the word problems on time. Okay. So our session for today is going to cover up these things. All right. First, we'll learn how to convert time. Then accordingly, we'll move on to adding, subtracting, converting a 12-hour clock into a 24-hour clock, and vice versa. Similarly, going forward and checking what is elapsed time, guys. Any idea? Elapsed time refers to the duration of your time. So this is referring to your duration of time, interval of time. Very good, Aditya. Perfect. So this is again a very important question from the time topic. So we'll cover that as well. And then we'll do some word-based problems. And you know, one thing special about Priyasha ma'am's classes, the old students might tell it. Let me see if the old students remember it. Anyone who remembers what's special about Priyasha ma'am's classes? Very good, Sonali. Oh my goodness. Sanskriti, great. Wow, you guys know it. Govindu, okay. Sahiti was there. Very nice. Okay, that's right. Chocolate questions for which you will not get any chocolate, but you can just keep a note of it. Anytime you meet Priyasha ma'am, you know, like not online, offline, you can demand your chocolates back. Okay, fine. So we'll get started. We'll start with a very easy warm up session. Like before you go to exercise, you have a warm up session, right? Where you just do some easy exercise and then you get down into strenuous work. So here also we'll go and do something easy. The first thing we'll be doing is knowing the conversion values. What conversion values? Here are the easy slides on the screen. First thing is asking you to tell how many seconds are present in a minute. You can answer it in the chat, and I would request you to answer only once so that our chat doesn't hangs up. Okay, so that there is no repetition of the answer, no spamming. Good, everyone correct. 60 seconds. So if we know the unitary value means value of 1 minute, can we answer how many seconds will be present in 10 minutes? 10 minutes, guys. Just add a zero. Yes, adding a zero makes it 600. Now I'll ask you a question. Okay. First, if I ask you how many seconds are present in 15 minutes, what's your answer? First answer me, and then I'll come up with another question. Good, Tanish, Natik, Aiden, Indra. Oh my God, so many answers that I couldn't even read the names. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, your answers are correct. Those who are coming up with 900 is absolutely correct. Now tell me one thing. What did you do? How did you do this calculation? There are two ways of doing the calculation, right? Multiplication. One is the standard method taught to us in school, which is 15 multiplied with 60. That gives us 900. The only shortcut we know is 15 into 6 and then adding a zero. Correct? Yes. But did you do it like this? If yes, then write a Y or thumbs up. Anything will work. Why? Okay, you did it like this. What about doing it the other way around? Other way around means if I know that 10 minutes is equals to 600, then 5 minutes will be equals to, very good, Tanish. 5 minutes will be equal to half of it, right? So half of 600 will be 300, correct. Now 10 plus 5 is 15. So 300 plus 600 is 900. So this is the other way of doing the multiplication. Okay, it's never mandatory that you take one method and you don't do it by the other method, but you should know all the methods, because if you know all the methods, only then you will realize that, okay, ma'am, I took 5 seconds in doing it in this way and I took 17 seconds in doing in this way. So I decide that I'll go with this particular way. Okay. Good, good. For the second answer again, 1 hour has 60 minutes in it, and one day has how many hours? 24 hours. Very good. Very right. Okay. So we have had a very quick recap of all the formulas, right? No questions, no doubts. Of course, no one will have. Now we'll move down to adding the time. So here is the time on your screen. 3 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, when added to 1 hour, 30 minutes and 55 seconds, what is the time you will get? Please answer me in the chat. First you try, then ma'am will help. Aiden, Reem. Okay, I see some answers. Shashank, Tanish. All right. Akriti. Okay. Saksham. Saksham, your seconds is in 85. Aradhya, seconds are in 85. Tejas. Atish. Okay. Pulkit. Ayan. Nandini. Okay. Sonali. Mokshik. Kunal. Kushagra. Srividya. Marcus. Okay. Ananya. Fine then, Indra. Many of you have tried doing it. Natik, good, good, good. Now Priyasha ma'am's time. What will Priyasha ma'am do now? Priyasha ma'am will first step is she will divide the hour, minutes, and seconds in 3 different columns. I'm going to treat them separately. Okay. Now the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be adding up the columns separately, like 30 plus 55 gives me 85 as you people are writing. Okay. 20 plus 30 is how much? 50. Good. And how much is 3 plus 1? 4. 0, 4. Yes. Now, where is the problem? The problem is that the seconds and the minutes can never be represented in more than 60 seconds, because we very well know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Remember? So anything exceeding 60, we will subtract it. Now, how will we subtract it? You know, I will subtract 60 from here and I'll get 25. But where will this 60 go? In the minutes column. Correct. Very nice. Everyone is right. But minutes is like, listen, seconds. I am not going to deal in seconds. Okay. I can't take 15 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever is in like left over for you. If you want to give me something, give me full 1 minute. Full 1 minute means full 60 seconds. So 60 seconds will be converted in a minute and transferred to this place. So 50 plus 1, Saksham understood? Very good. 51 will be the minutes time. Very good, Arnav. Very good, Nandini. 25 will be the seconds time. Very nice, Ifraz. And then hours will remain as it is because there is no carryover from the minutes. Minutes is still less than 60, no? Yeah, so my final answer is 4 hours, 51 minutes. This is minutes. And 25 seconds. Well done. Kudos. Now, are we ready for subtraction? Addition was easy. Let's do subtraction. Yes? Okay. Fine. So here is the next slide. Okay. Same time, but this time you have to subtract 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds minus 1 hour, 30 minutes, 55 seconds. Mokshik is happy, it seems. Thank you, Mokshik. Now try doing this question and let's see if we can do it together. Tanish has come up with an answer. Okay. Let's see others. Shovandeep has come up with an answer. Sashank, Sanskruti, okay. All SS. Indra, okay. Mokshik, try concentrating on the question now. Kushagra, okay. No problem, Mokshik, happens. All right. Shikha has come up with an answer. Advita also. Pulkit, Srividya. Oh, so many different answers. Aiden also. Very nice, Aiden. Okay, Tejas, Ananya, Natik. No problem, Natik. I'm here to explain, right? Good, Sahiti. Okay, Sahiti has also come up with answers. Shreyansi also. Very nice. So same process. Process number 1. No problem, Kunal. Let's do it now. Pay attention, everyone on the screen. Stop answering and let's see the screen now. First, I'll divide. Okay. Now, there is a rule. There is a rule which we'll follow. Check the top value. Okay. If the top value is less than the bottom value, like here 30, hi Akshay, how are you? If 30 is less than 55, okay. So this means top value is less than the bottom value. 20 is also less than 30. But is it possible in hours? No. Ours 3 and 1 is there. So have a look over here, guys. Now what we are going to do, we are going to learn it as a story now. So understand it carefully. 3 is bigger than 1. So 3 is like, listen, I am the top one and I am more than the lower one. So it's like, okay. So minutes will say first, from where will we start? We will start from the seconds. Seconds will be like, it will go to minutes and will say, minute, will you have an extra minute for me? Can you lend me a minute? Minute will be like, come on, I'm already 10 less than my lower value. How will I do that? So seconds give an idea. Why don't you do the same as I am doing? So minutes is like, okay, let me go and check it out with hours. And hours is like, listen, I'm not going to give you the extra minutes you need. Rather, I will spend 1 hour. So I will be reducing an hour from myself and giving you 1 hour. How many minutes in 1 hour? 60. So this 60 comes up to 20. And how much will 60 plus 20 become? 60 plus 20 will become 80. So now I am having 80 minus 30, correct? 80 minus 30? Yes. Now 80 is more than 30. Minutes is very happy. So minutes is like seconds. Come here. You were asking a favor, right? So take the favor. I reduce 1 minute from myself and give you how much? Give you 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 30 seconds together makes 90 seconds. And the one which I'll be subtracting is 55. So guys, let's get down to work now. 90 minus 55. How will you do it? 90 minus 55. If you want to use the carryover, you can use the carryover process. Otherwise, you can do it orally also. 55 plus 5 is 60 and 60 is 30 less than 90. So 35. Very good. And 79 and 30. Just remember, 9 minus 0 is 9 and this is 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the correct time will be 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Is it clear? Yeah, if you did it in the other way also by doing it orally or verbally, that's totally fine and correct until and unless you are getting the answer as this. Okay, good, Kunal. Okay, so Galaxy A10s for you because you joined in a little now, I see. So no problem. Just try to understand that we will be working by the carryover process. Okay, whenever the top value like 30 is less than the bottom value like 50, so you would be taking additional time from the opposite. Okay, opposite means seconds. So you will be going to minutes. If it's minutes, you will be going to hours, like this. Okay, fine. Everyone will give you 60 in turn only. This 1 hour will turn into 60. This 60 plus 20 will together become 80. And then if 80 gives you 1 minute from itself, it will become 80 minus 1. That is 79. And this 60 will come over here and get added up with the 30, giving you 90. Okay, done. Now we are going to relax. Okay, Tejas, what we have to do here. Okay, a quick recap now. A quick recap, and I want everyone to pay attention. Quick recap. Read the things on the screen, guys. If the top value is less than the bottom value, as in the case of 30, 50, then we will go to minutes. Minutes also the same case. 20 is less than 30. So we will borrow. Yes, Arnav, we will borrow. And how will we borrow? 3 hours will give 1 hour from itself. Okay, so it will become 2 hours. And this 1 hour is equals to how many minutes, Saksham? Others tell me how many minutes? 60. So 1 hour will be transferred here and this will be carry over at the top. So 60 will be added with the number at the top so that the total becomes more than the number at the bottom. Got my point? So 60 plus 20 is 80. And now it's 80 minus 30. Correct? Yes. Now 80 is a bigger number. No problem with 80. So, but second is still small. So what will minutes do? Minutes will help seconds by reducing itself by 1. And I know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So I will transfer this 60 seconds over here in the seconds column. 60 plus 30. 90. Very good, Arnav. 90. And 90 is again a number bigger than 55. So do we have a problem subtracting a bigger number? Bigger number minus smaller number is always a positive number. So 90 minus 55 is 35. And 79 minus 30 is 49. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Easy? Finally. Okay, let's quickly go down to the other slide, guys. Now this one is an easy one. You can take a breath in it. What is 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock? Tell me one thing. Any place where you have seen this 24-hour clock? That means right now, if I tell you in India, it's 7:02. So that means I write it as 1902. Ratish railway station. Kushagra railways. Guys, our times might be different, so don't worry about that. I'm in India, you might be in some other country, so that's why times can be different. Digital clock. Okay, Natik 1902, right? Railway station. Correct. Now tell me something. Have you observed that whenever I write the time like 1921, something like this, do we write a PM on the right side? YN? No, absolutely no. Yes. No, absolutely no, not at all. Okay, we are not going to do that. Fine. All right. So the next thing which we will be doing here is we will be understanding why don't we do that. We don't do that because see, 7 when written in the analog format will be AM or PM, depicting morning or evening. But the same time when added to 12, like look at this conversion table, guys. This is the time 7 PM when added to 12 makes it 19. That in itself means we are post meridian, night time. Very good. So if someone says that in 24-hour clock the time is 7:02, what do you understand? It is AM or PM? When nothing is written as AM or PM, then what do we understand? AM, correct. If nothing is written, then this is AM, okay? And if they would have tried to write 7 PM, they would have directly written 1902. Cool. Okay, time to do a question then. Can you convert 23, 20, 30, that is 23 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds into the 12-hour format? I am waiting for the correct answer in the chat. 23, 20, 30. Yes, 23, 12. Okay, Angana. Okay, okay, so many answers. That's right. Write the full thing and the AM PM also, because that's the correct format. Yes. 30 remains 30, 20 remains 20, 12, 23 represents 11 PM. So the answer will be PM. Don't forget to write PM because it is 23. Claps for you all. You are doing a great job. Okay, time for some questions. Yup, some questions on the duration of time. Now, quickly tell me, guys, if the class starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 10:30 a.m., how long is the class? Ah, it's so simple, ma'am. It's 1 hour. Correct. Now, if I ask you the second question, the class starts at 8:40, ends at 10:27. This is interesting. Aiden, okay, Marcus. Guys, careful doing that. Those who are writing 2 hours 47 and someone are writing 1 hour 47. So careful while doing that. See, there is two methods. There are two methods of doing it. Either you take the normal method, write 10:27, write 8:40, and then just like we did in the previous one, because 27 is less than 40, I'll take a borrow, okay? I'll add 60, that makes it 87, and now 87 minus 40 is 47, okay? And 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 1 hour 47. That's correct. No doubts in this. Correct? Thumbs up. All right. No doubts. But there is another method also. Oral method. How to do the oral method? 8:40 plus how many minutes is equals to 9 o'clock, guys? 8:40 plus how many minutes? Very good. 20. Absolutely right. 20 minutes. So if I add 20 minutes, I would be getting 9 o'clock. So keep this 20 in mind. Okay. Keep a box. Okay. 20. Now 9 plus how many hours gives you 10:27? 1 hour 27. So now if I add 20 to this, I get my answer as 147. Any method which you like, you can take. No problem in that. Okay. Now, last one. 10:45 a.m. to 11:15 p.m. a.m. p.m. Guys, a.m. p.m. If Raz is like, oh, okay, yes. So, guys, remember, if this would have been p.m., then you are right. It will be 30 minutes. If this would have been PM, it would have been 30 minutes. But this is AM to PM. That means a 12 hours gap. So simple. 12 hours, 30 minutes. Right? Simple. Now, the first chocolate question on the screen. Are we all ready for it? Are we excited? Yes. Okay. So, the first chocolate question is right there on your screen, guys. Question number 1 about Monty. Indra is already like, yum. Let's see if it chocolate turns out to be really sweet one or not. Only if you're able to do it. Monty was solving a puzzle. The start time is there on your screen. The end time is there on your screen. Read the time and find the duration in minutes. Aiden has come up with an answer which is not in the options, Aiden. Guys, stop copying everyone's answers. That's not in the options. Aiden is like, what are you doing? You're copying my wrong answers. Okay, no problem. Read it carefully. Pulkit, Swati, Kavya, Shandeep, okay, Kushagra, Atharv, Priyambada, Naitik, Mokshik, Shashank, Tanish, Sunil, Aiden, Aditya. All right. Arnav, great. Kunal, Nandini, Anjika, Ayushi, Kunal. Okay, okay, okay. Got you, got you, got you. Fine. So what we are supposed to do here, we are supposed to first get the start time. So what is the start time? Look at it carefully. Do you think that it has touched 6? No, 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 it's not. So it's just before 6. How many minutes before? 5 minutes before. It's at 11. So 11 into 5, 55. So the time is 5:55. Am I right? And what's the end time? End time is after 7, before 8. Okay. After 7, before 8. And the minute is 3:45. 5 into 5. 25, 7:25. Monty, give me candy right now. If Monty would have been alive, he would have. Okay. I'm very happy that you're not asking me for the chocolate. Oh, Marcus, I'm not going to be rude. I'm just saying that whenever you meet me offline, ask for your chocolates, okay? 7:25 minus 5:55 is the duration. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you subtract it using our normal process or you do it orally. How can you do it orally? Yeah, the chocolate loan starts now. So if you are joining the classes, then I will be at a huge loan then. Okay, fine. So if you simply subtract, you get 1 hour 30 minutes. Otherwise, you can do it orally also. How orally? 5:55 plus 5 minutes is equals to 6 o'clock. And from 6 o'clock up to 7:25, I have 1 hour 25 minutes. So 1 hour 25 plus 5 is 1 hour 30 minutes. That is equals to 90 minutes. We did it so nicely. All right, stop your discussion related to chocolates and Monty. Can we have another chocolate question, guys, so that my loan increases and your chocolate thing increases as well? Yes, of course. So let's have the second question. Okay, fine, fine. Question number 2 on the screen. Now this time it's Rohan. Yes, yes, Vipul. Yes, yes. I hope that you join the session and my loan increases. Thank you, Mokshik. How sweet of you. All right. Now a question related to Rohan leaving for his school. Oh, we are ready with answers. How quick was that? Guys, just to tell you that read the question very carefully. Don't repeat your answers, sweetheart. Don't do that, please. It will just spam the chat. And right now, I'm having around 1,666 messages. If I open my chat, I won't be able to talk to you again. So please don't repeat your answers. All right. Now, have a look here. Read it carefully. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m., walked for 15 minutes to take a bus. He boarded the bus immediately. That means the moment he reached the bus stand, he took the bus. And the bus dropped him at 9:15. So the question is, how long did the bus take to drop Rohan? So are we going to do 9:15 minus 7:45, or are we going to do 9:15 minus 8 o'clock, which is 7:45 plus 15 minutes? 8. 8. Yes. The time when the bus came was actually 8 o'clock. So we will subtract that and we'll get 1 minute 15 seconds. And you all managed to answer it in less than 30 seconds. You all are ready for Olympiads, guys. You just need a guided resource and then you would do wonders. Very nice. Very nice. Another chocolate question done. Very good. Okay. Are we ready for the third one now? Third one. This can be lengthy. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. So here's the third question related to Batman. Yeah, Mokshik, 2 chocolates in your bank right now. Woo. Batman is flying from New York. Hmm. And he is going to Mike's school. He has no other work. Anyways, look at the time, look at the days, and tell me for how many hours did Batman fly? Oh, Shavandeep, really? Tony Stark, but we lost him in Avengers Endgame, no? Now I don't know if he'll be returning back in any of the Marvel movies. I know that Batman can't fly. What are you saying? Okay, I see answers. I see answers. Oh, good, good. What about others? Others, see, they have started answering. What about you people? Yes, others are getting distracted. Come on, come on. Let's get concentrated on the question now. So with a serious face, we will be trying to answer the question. First thing. First thing to note is Sunday and Monday. So there is a gap of 1 day. Then timing. 5 p.m. in the Sunday and 9:30 p.m. in Monday. What is the difference first? Tell me. Or you can just do it like this also. 21:30 minus 17:00. 04. Am I right? 4 hours. But am I right? This is Sunday to Sunday. They are asking you Monday to Sunday. So plus 24. Correct. Plus 24, which is one complete day in this process. So 24 plus 4. How much is that, guys? Yes, Vipul, of course. 28. Correct. 28. Okay. We'll talk about that later. First, help me with the question, guys. We'll finish the question, then we'll talk about it. 28 hours. Correct. But is it the complete time for which the Batman was flying? Not really. He also rested for 4 hours. That means if I subtract what? Guys, point out what is wrong in the screen. Point out what is wrong in the screen right now. 30 minus 00 is 30. Yeah, so it is 28, 30. Yes. Now we will do minus. 28, 30 minus 4 hours is 24, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is half an hour, so 24.5 hours. Is the answer correct? Will ma'am get a chocolate? Yes, and will you get a chocolate? That depends upon if you take the classes or not. Just joking. Okay, are we ready for the next question, guys? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, 3 chocolates in the bank. It's so tiring journey for Batman, no? See, such a long process, and we did it so easily, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Favorite hero? I don't have a favorite hero, Shovandeep. Like in Bollywood, at least. Not in even Hollywood. I don't like heroes and heroines. I don't know why. All right. Coming to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 on your screen. Now stop talking about Avengers and let's concentrate on question number 4. Let's see who answers first. Thanks, Ifras. My name is Priyasha Das. You can look the spelling out there in the chat as well, in the participant list. Okay, and I am not this Priya in this question. It must be some other Priya. Priya visited a restaurant for dinner. Oh, I see answers popping up. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, she reached this restaurant at 8 p.m. sharp. The waiter immediately took her order and conveyed it to the cook. That means the waiter took the order at 8 p.m. only. Now, the cook started preparing. Okay, don't repeat your answer. I am getting it as A. Don't worry. Don't repeat it. Okay, I'm not taking the name because I'm reading from the screen, right? So please. Okay. The waiter immediately took her order and conveyed it to the cook. The cook started preparing the dish at 8:10. That means there was a gap of 10 minutes. and served it to Priya at 8:35. So Priya got the food at the table at 8:35. She took 35 minutes to have the dinner and 15 minutes to pay the bill. So at what time did she left the restaurant, considering that she left immediately after paying the bill? Now tell me one thing. All these things in the first two lines, do you think we need it? Do we need it? Yes, Marcus, they are not needed at all. We'll just start our calculation from 8:35, add another 35 minutes to it, that makes it 9:10, because 35 plus 35 is 70 and 70 is 10 more than 60. So I will add a 1 to 8 and that will become 9 hours 10 minutes, and another 15 minutes for paying the bill. That's 9:25. And you genius people have given me the right answer long back. Okay, so sad to say, sad to say that we are proceeding towards the last question of the day. So shall we go and do the last question? Last chocolate question on our screen. There we go. This is a question on Fanny. And I was like, oh no, no problem. I also did not realize how fast the time went away. But no worries. I'll see forward meeting you people in the regular classes. Okay. Fanny decided to plan her schedule. Read the information carefully. And guys, you can try backtracking. What is the meaning of backtracking? Backtracking means reading the question from the end. So first read this. How long did she take to complete her assignment? How long did she take to complete her assignment? That means you have to take every information from the screen. Okay. Wake up at 6:30 and she had to complete her assignment by noon. That means the time which she has is 12 noon minus 6:30. Anyone who can help me with this? Okay, no copying. Anyone who can help me with this? 12 minus 6 is 6, but then 30 minutes less from 6 o'clock is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Very good. Is it clear, everyone? Can we do it orally? 12 minus 6 hours is 6 hours, and minus 30 hours from 30 minutes from 6 hours is 5 hours 30 minutes. Now, within this 5 hours 30 minutes, Fanny wasted a lot of time. What did she do? 5 minutes for brushing, 30 minutes for bath, and 40 minutes for breakfast. Together, 75 minutes lost. 75 minutes is equals to 1 hour, 15 minutes, right? 1 hour, 15 minutes. So if I subtract 1 hour and 15 minutes from 5 hours, 30 minutes, I will be left with 4 hours, 15 minutes, which is option B. Very good, Chitra. Very good, everyone. So can we say that we have completed all the 5 chocolate questions for the day? That too correct? Yes. Okay. So for those who found it a little difficult, a quick recap. First, you have to find out by what time do Fanny needs to complete this. So Fanny has to complete it within 12 noon and she is getting up at 6:30. So the time which she is having is 5 hours and 30 minutes, because if you subtract 12 minus 6:30, you get 5 hours 30 minutes. And from that 5 hours 30 minutes, she has wasted a couple of minutes in brushing, bathing, and having her breakfast. So we will subtract that time and we'll get our final answer, the remaining time in which she completed her work. Okay? Thumbs up. Okay, everyone, on a serious note now, I'm going to ask Messi, Shovindeep. Okay, so I'm going to ask a very serious question. The serious question is, how was the class? I know few of you already knew this, that this would be the last question. Okay, Fine. Thank you so much. Yes, Indra, yummy because of the chocolate question. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Sanskriti. Thank you so much, everyone. Your comments are coming so fast that I'm not able to read the names. But a big thank you from my end towards you. I literally enjoyed it a lot. Trust me, I really, really enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much for being such an active audience. Lovely people. I definitely look forward meeting you on the regular sessions, guys. So up till then, please take care of yourself, and thank you so much for responding so well in this session today. Now over to Rajan sir. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Priyansha ma'am. Okay, so students, how was the lecture? Did you like the session? Okay. Great. Okay, I think Kunal having some question. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask in a group.
Yes. If it's related to the questions, we'll surely answer it. Let me know, Kunal, okay? And
Okay, this is
others.
not called lecture, it is called studying. Okay, very good.
Oh God, that's right.
Yeah, you like the studying. Okay, got it.
Tremendous fun, Arnav. Me too. I also had lots of fun. So I want to say something. Why not, Kunal? You can type surely. And if it's related to anything related to the classes or something, then you can surely give a call on the Olympiad success number. Rajan sir will send it again. Rajan sir, why don't you send it
Yes,
again? They will.
sure, ma'am. So everyone, live classes will start on 17th March. Okay, timing will be, who will write? No one will write.
Let's see if people remember.
Yes,
Okay, they
Sonali
remember.
writes.
Sonali,
Timing will be 6:30.
Aditya.
Okay.
I
So
asked.
I have shared the link. I have shared the links in the chat box. You can copy that. Okay. And if you enroll today, you will also get free CMO. Okay, kids? Yes. So for today, we having this session only. Okay. And we are going to see you now on live classes on 17th March.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
then
Mokshik.
everyone.
Mokshik and Kunal, if you are having any doubts, you can quickly go and call up on that WhatsApp number or drop a message there. They will connect with you and clear all your doubts there. All right. Okay. Fine,
Okay,
Rajan
then.
sir,
Yeah.
over to you.
Yeah. Okay, so everyone, I have shared the links again in the chat box. You can copy that and save that link. Okay. So thanks for the session today, Yansha ma'am. Yeah. Okay. Bye,
You're
everyone.
most welcome. Bye bye,
Yeah.
everyone. Take care. See you there in the live classes. Bye bye.